Okay, y'all, I know we all hate doing dishes, and I don't really like it either. But over the last week, I have been more and more amazed at how little time it actually takes. Like, I look at the clock beforehand, and then when I'm done, it's actually barely any time at all. So I'm going to do the dishes with you. We're going to time it. I have the timer going right now as I'm talking, and we'll just see. We'll just see how fast this really goes. I'm not gonna like race myself. I'm just gonna do the dishes as I normally do them. So here we are, doing dishes together. How do you feel? The thing is we all have these little tasks that we have to do throughout the day. We all do the same thing. Do dishes, do laundry, go to the bathroom. We all do the same thing. So why compare to anybody else? This is just how life is. You just gotta do the dirty work sometimes. Speaking of all of us having to do the same thing, one time my friend told me that when she became a Christian, the thing that helped her grasp the concept that Jesus was fully God and fully man is that he pooped too. Have you ever thought about that? Jesus, our God made man, pooped. And he also ate and probably burped and did all those things. Like, he did that too. Crazy, just crazy. So we joke every once in a while, you know, Jesus pooped too. So maybe when I start potty training, that's probably how I'll bridge the concept. If he's scared to poop, I'll just say, you know what? Jesus even pooped. Even Jesus pooped. My boys are about to come and give me a special imaginary cup of juice.
I packet juice. Okay, let's go get some juice. Alright, I've got things on it. I'll pour it for a cup. You have your cup and I'll pour it. Okay? Here. Put George, you'll hang out here. Okay, one off the cup. Okay, go get mom with a cup. Okay, have some juice.
Thank you. No. What kind of juice is it? Yeah. Huh? Yeah, a yellow juice? Yeah. Oh, yummy. Is it like lemonade juice? Yeah. Oh, yeah, my favorite. Thank you.
Yeah, try to good idea. Good idea to bring the juice down.
George wants a cup?
Yeah.
Oh, I don't think I have a cup.
Here, Patrick.
Maybe Daddy has the extra one.
Hey, George, pull out your cup, bud. Here, I got it. There, he has his too.
So I always put away, dry and put away my dishes. It just doesn't feel complete unless I do it, because not only does my counter still look dirty or like cluttered, that's the way I was raised. You do the dishes, dry, put away, you wipe down the counters, sweep the floor, wipe off the table, and then you're done. Honestly, it's like a little gift to yourself to wake up the next morning with a clean kitchen. You can start your day appropriately. And don't get me wrong, there have been plenty of many seasons in my life where I did not do the dishes and life was just fine. There's no moral value attached to doing the dishes. But I always find you need a little encouragement every once in a while. So let this be your encouragement. Everyone does the dishes. It's just a part of life. It doesn't take that long. And here I'm even talking to you. I'm just hitting 10 minutes as it is. My sister and I were in high school. Doing the dishes after dinner was one of our chores, ways that we helped out around the house. And we always made it a good time. She would wash and dry it, or I would put it away, or vice versa, and we would just sit there and talk, catch up on our day, talk about life. I don't know, it was really sweet. So there's things you can do to pass the time. I usually listen to music or a podcast if I don't have, Patrick at my feet. To watch TV. My husband watches TV. He does the dishes. He sets up his phone, watches one of his shows that I don't necessarily want to watch with him. That's how he passes the time doing dishes. Plenty of ways to just get the job done, Okay, there. My dishes were cleaned, washed and dried and put away. And this is 12 minutes, 40 seconds as I'm talking. I even stopped to talk to you, and you even saw I had a few interruptions. So 12, 13-ish minutes a day. Well, I did the dishes. Wait, did I do dishes earlier today? Well, we have a dishwasher too, so that's half the work, is getting the dishes that can be washed into the dishwasher. So yeah, I think this was the first time I actually got my hands wet with soap to do the dishes, and it was 13 minutes worth of work. So really not too bad. Like I said, it goes faster than you think. So let this be an encouragement. Just take 10 minutes and do the dishes.